Want to reinstall Windows but don't want to lose your files? In this video, I'll show you how to safely reinstall Windows while keeping your personal data. Before you start, make sure your important files are backed up just to be safe. This method keeps your documents, pictures, and videos, but your installed apps may be removed. You will also need a stable internet connection and enough free storage on your PC. First, open Windows Settings. Go to System, then select Recovery. Click on Reset this PC and choose the option Keep My Files. Next, select Cloud Download or Local Reinstall, depending on what you prefer, and continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your choices. Windows will now start reinstalling while keeping your personal files. Your computer may restart several times during this process. Once the reinstall is complete, sign back into your account and finish the setup. Your files will still be there, and Windows will be freshly reinstalled and running smoothly. That's how you can reinstall Windows without losing your files. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out the channel for more simple Windows tips and tutorials.